This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Tuesday, September 29th. Stock index futures coming under a little pressure this morning. This after yesterday's very strong gains across the board. There has been some additional movement higher with the U.S. Consumer Confidence Report coming in quite a bit better than expected at 101.8 against the guess of 88.8. So technically, stock index futures also appear to be looking better with the S&P, the Dow, and the NASDAQ futures trading above downtrend lines over the last several days. Also, we are seeing the NASDAQ overall in the last week or so gaining on the other indices. And of course, that would be the bull spread. Moving over to the currency markets, the dollar index now lower for a third day. Also, there is some talk that the carry trade may be back again, maybe back in vogue, with international traders looking to sell dollars and then using the proceeds to buy higher yielding assets overseas. So if this is the case and if it expands, it would be a longer term bearish factor for the dollar index. Moving over to the interest rate futures markets, these markets holding up relatively well, even though the U.S. Consumer Confidence Report coming in quite a bit stronger than expected, which would be a bit of a bearish influence on the credit futures markets. Longer term, though, still looking for the short end of the curve futures to gain on the long end of the curve futures, namely the 30-year bonds. Also, gold and silver trading higher, actually holding up very well. You would think that there might be some pressure with the Consumer Confidence Report coming in stronger, less need to keep rates low. But in fact, it's the dominant influence of a weak dollar, which is overriding all other factors right now. So gold and silver putting in a good performance, and it's the dollar index that seems to be dominating all other fundamentals. Shorter term, though, it looks like we'll probably see some follow through to the upside. And longer term, still the threat of inflation tending to be a bullish long-term influence for both the precious metals. So good trading, everyone. Once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.